Welcome to our culinary journey around the world. Get ready to ditch those stuffy restaurants and dive headfirst into the bustling streets where the real magic happens. Today, we're diving into the heart and soul of different cultures through their street food. Forget Michelin stars and fancy tablecloths. This is about honest-to-goodness food bursting with flavor. We're talking about generations-old recipes, passed down from street vendor to street vendor, each one adding their own touch of magic. Get those taste buds tingling because we're about to embark on a global street food adventure that'll leave you craving more. Let's get started, you lot. Street food, it's the lifeblood of a city, the heartbeat of a culture. It's not just about filling your belly, it's about experiencing the soul of a nation on a plate. You see, every country, every city, has its own unique story to tell through its food. From the smoky aromas of sizzling meats to the vibrant colors of fresh spices, street food is a sensory overload in the best possible way. It's a chaotic symphony of flavors, textures, and aromas that'll transport you straight to the heart of a culture. Let's kick things off in Mexico, a country where food is practically a religion and tacos reign supreme. Forget those hard-shell monstrosities. We're talking about soft, pillowy tortillas piled high with tender, slow-cooked meats, tangy salsas, and a squeeze of lime that'll make your taste buds sing. From al pastor, marinated in a blend of spices and cooked on a vertical spit, to barbacoa, steamed in underground ovens for hours on end, each taco is a testament to the rich culinary heritage of Mexico. Believe me, one bite, and you'll understand why tacos are more than just food in Mexico. They're a way of life. Next stop, Japan, the land of the rising sun and culinary artistry. Forget those overstuffed mayonnaise-laden rolls. We're talking about the real deal sushi, so fresh it practically melts in your mouth. Each piece, a testament to the Japanese philosophy of simplicity and perfection. From the delicate slices of sashimi to the perfectly formed nigiri, every element is meticulously crafted. The balance of flavors, the textures, the presentation, it's an art form and one that'll leave you speechless. Chapter 4. Pani Puri, India, an explosion of flavor. Hold on tight because we're heading to India, a country that explodes with flavor. And there's no better way to experience this sensory overload than with Pani Puri. Imagine crispy, hollow puris, filled with a tantalizing mix of potatoes, chickpeas, chutneys, and a burst of tangy, spicy water. It's a party in your mouth, with each bite a symphony of sweet, sour, spicy, and tangy notes. And the best part? It's meant to be eaten in one go, so open wide and let those flavors wash over you. Chapter 5. Poutine, Canada, carbs, cheese, and gravy. What's not to love? Next up, we're heading to Canada, where comfort food reigns supreme. And trust me, it doesn't get much more comforting than a steaming plate of poutine. Imagine this: crispy fries, smothered in rich, savory gravy, and topped with squeaky cheese curds. It's a heart attack on a plate, but oh so worth it. The combination of textures and flavors is pure genius. Don't even try to resist the cheesy, gravy goodness. Just grab a fork and dig in. Chapter 6. Banh Mi, Vietnam, a symphony of textures and tastes. Get ready to be wowed by Vietnam, a country where fresh herbs and bold flavors collide. And there's no better example of this than the mighty banh mi. Picture this: a crusty baguette spread with creamy pâté, piled high with savory meats, pickled vegetables, fresh cilantro, and a kick of chili. It's a symphony of textures and tastes, with each bite a burst of freshness and flavor. The combination of savory, spicy, tangy, and sweet will leave you craving more. Let's head to Venezuela, where the food is as warm and welcoming as the people. And when it comes to street food, it's all about the arepa. Think of it as a blank canvas for flavor, a thick, grilled cornmeal cake that can be filled with just about anything. From savory fillings like shredded beef, black beans, and cheese, to sweeter options like avocado and plantains, the possibilities are endless. One bite and you'll understand why arepas are more than just food in Venezuela. They're a way of life. Time for a sweet treat, and where better to indulge than in Italy, the land of gelato? Forget that mass-produced, artificially flavored stuff. We're talking about the real deal. Gelato's so rich, so creamy, so intensely flavorful, it'll make you want to sing. From classic flavors like pistachio and hazelnut to more adventurous options like ricotta and fig, there's a gelato out there for everyone. So grab a spoon, find a sunny piazza, and savor every last lick. Chapter 9. Shawarma, Middle East. A culinary legacy on a plate. Now we're off to the Middle East, where the aroma of spices fills the air. And there's no dish more iconic than shawarma. Imagine this, thinly sliced marinated meat, stacked high on a rotating spit, slowly roasting to perfection. As it cooks, it's shaved off and tucked into warm pita bread with hummus, tahini, pickled vegetables, and a sprinkle of sumac. It's a culinary legacy passed down through generations, and one bite will transport you to the bustling streets of the Middle East. Chapter 10. Churros, Spain, crispy cinnamon sugar perfection. No culinary journey would be complete without a stop in Spain, the land of churros. These crispy golden brown treats are like little sticks of fried doughy heaven. They're traditionally served piping hot, dusted with cinnamon sugar, and dipped in thick, decadent chocolate sauce. One bite, and you'll understand why churros are a beloved treat all over Spain. They're the perfect way to end a meal or satisfy your sweet tooth. Chapter 11. Jerk Chicken, Jamaica. A fiery celebration of flavor. Our final stop takes us to Jamaica, where the food is as vibrant and lively as the culture. And when it comes to street food, it doesn't get much better than jerk chicken. Imagine this. Juicy, succulent chicken marinated in a fiery blend of Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, thyme, and ginger, then smoked to perfection over pimento wood. The result? A flavor explosion that will blow your mind. It's spicy, smoky, and utterly addictive. Trust me, one bite and you'll be hooked. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey. We've barely scratched the surface of the world's incredible street food scene. From the bustling streets of Mexico City to the vibrant markets of Marrakesh, there's a whole world of flavor out there waiting to be discovered. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. We'll be exploring more amazing food destinations, uncovering hidden culinary gems, and sharing our passion for all things delicious. What's your favorite street food? Let us know in the comments below. We're always on the lookout for new recommendations, so don't be shy. Until next time, happy eating!